Hello, good morning. Today we are doing worksheet number 11 for class 9th, and this is for 30th July 2021. And today we are talking about pressure. What is pressure? And how does it make our life comfortable? Where it is applied and how it is applied. We will talk about this. So, small activity that we will do today to know about pressure. You take a ball pen into your hand. Ball pen means any pen, and press its tipped end with your hand as shown in the figure. And does it hurt you? And how much it hurts you? Observe it, notice it. Now you press the other blunt end of your ball pen with the same pressure or with the same amount of force, and note how does it hurt you. What do you think why this happens? You must have noticed when the pointed end is pressed, you feel more hurt, right? When the blunt end or the other end of the pen is pressed, you feel less hurt. Why? Why does this happen? We will know about this. So, all this is because of pressure. What is this pressure? We will study now. But before that, we will recall what is force and what changes it bring. First, force means any pressure or anything apply on other object is the force, right? And because of this force, there may be change in shape, size or motion on an object. You must have studied before that if we apply pressure on a small ball of floor, there is change in shape. When you roll that floor with the roller, it changes it into chapati. So this way you can cite many other examples. When you blow air in a balloon, its shape changes, right? When you apply force on a ball, its speed changes, its direction changes. So these are the effects that you notice when a force is applied on an object. This is force and its effects. Now when the force is applied perpendicular to a surface, now here this perpendicular term means at an angle of 90 degree. Then it is called thrust, right? Thrust is nothing but force at an angle of 90, right? The effect of this thrust is also dependent on area on which it is applied. How? If we see this pressure, what this pressure is? Thrust upon area means P is equal to F over A, right? And its unit is Pascal. Remember, SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Pascal is force के unit क्या होते हैं? Newton, and area is meter square. So its units are Newton per meter square. This is equal to 1 Pascal, right? Now pressure can be increased or decreased by reducing or increasing the area of application of force respectively. Now we will see how this area affects the pressure. You see, area is in the denominator. If the area increases, pressure will decrease, and vice versa. We will apply this knowledge of pressure is equal to force over area. First use of this increasing pressure by decreasing the area of application of force means if increase this area, pressure will, if we decrease this area, pressure will, if we decrease area, pressure will increase. Now first example is when a knife cuts easily through vegetables through its sharp end. Now the sharp end has less area is less, so the pressure applied on the vegetables will be more and the vegetables will cut easily. Second, a nail is hammered in wall from its pointed end. When the nail's end is pointed, its area of application of force is less, pressure will be more, and nail will go into the wall or in the wood easily. That is why we always seek a pointed end of the nail. Third is a sewing needle sews from its pointed end. Same reason, when the needle is pointed, area will be less, pressure will be more, and it will go easily in the cloth for sewing. Now the second point, use of decreasing pressure. Where we need that pressure should be less, then we will increase the area of application. In this example, we can see in back straps are made wider, right? Wider means area is more, pressure will be less. You will feel less pressure on your shoulder, right? Second is tires of the vehicles are broad. When the tires are broad, area is more, pressure on the earth will be less. That is why the tires are made broader. And similarly, pillars of the flyovers, they have wider base, right? Wider means area more, pressure on the earth is less. So this is all about concept of pressure. What is pressure? We recall pressure is equal to force over area or thrust over area. Now we check our knowledge, what we have learned. First is define pressure. On which factors does it depend? On two factors. First is force and the second is area on which force is applied. Second, give reason for the following. Why the tires of the vehicles are broad? Clear. It's difficult to cut fruits with a blunt knife. Here it is the reverse, what we have learned before. In the blunt knife, area is more than the sharp one, so the pressure will be less. That is why we will feel difficult in cutting the fruits with a blunt knife. And the third is your feet will go deep in sand when you stand over it. When you stand over it, but will not go that deep while you are lying on it. Here you see when your feet will go deep when you are standing over it. When you are in a standing position, your 2 feet are touching the ground, area is less. Area is less, pressure will be more. So it will go deep inside the sand. When you are lying on your body, whole body is in touch with the ground, area is more, pressure will be less, so your body will go less deep in the sand. These reasoning questions are important. Write their answers yourself. I hope the concept of pressure will be clear to you, and you can cite other examples where pressure concept is applied, can write in your copies. Thank you so much.